What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we are taking a trip. We are going camping for the next 3 days. Well, fourth day we come home. So we got the camper hooked up, we got the truck hooked up, barbecue in the back. So let's take a look at it and show you what we got going on. There you have it, barbecue in the back, camper hooked up. And we are going camping for the next couple of days to get away from everything going on. Take a break. Actually, like if you watched my last video, I had said that we were going camping this week, and next week we got a hotel booked for 4 nights. Basically because it's just as cheap to rent a hotel room. Plus it comes with continental breakfast, which saves money. Plus it's got a full shower, right? So the camper is fun, but at the same time, it'd be better if we had a piece of land where we could just lay it and leave it there. But anyways, we got the kids all in the truck, ready to go. The wife is just in putting the stuff in the cooler, and then we are ready here. So with that said, let's head. And we made it, folks. Got everything hooked up now. Just basically gonna close some stuff up. Now that I got her all together, we got our water hooked up, our power hooked up, our sewer hooked up. The wife can use the bathroom all she wants now. We're here. Got this one stubborn lock. Haley just does not like to, I don't know what it is. You're probably saying, do you got the right key? No, I know it's the right key because I spent a lot of time with this stupid one. I'll try the other one. I know it's that one, but just to prove it. Hey, oh look, it did work. Make a liar out of me now. Now, I'm honest to God, folks, that big one works for it. But anyways, we got her. There we go. Barbecue set up here. That's where we're gonna barbecue. I had this open because I had to get the hot water ready, right? I had to make sure the cap was on it. And just a look here, everything looks right? Yeah. I wish there was a thing that told me open and close, but anyways. Or this here one's the small one, I know that for sure. I can't believe the little one worked there a minute ago. Makes me look like an idiot. Don't need the key to do that, I do it on my own. So, we'll take a look inside now. Basically, before I got the water hooked up, my son came in and had a big poop, and it just kind of stinks right now. I know he's probably don't care about that, but figured I'd let you know. Oh, look, there I am with the GoPro. Get some lights on in here. Oh, I was gonna say, why isn't that one working? There we go. Always good to have the lights on. I gotta get the cooler, in and get the fridge plugged in. And we got this fridge here, but I also got this fridge. I gotta get it plugged in. The last time we came, we didn't have enough room, so we figured we'd go with this fridge this time, so we had enough room. And we definitely have enough room now. It's just, it's so dark and dingy outside today. You know, it's like literally gonna rain, I think, but hopefully it don't. And we'll see what all the adventures bring to this place today. Right now, I'm gonna put some stuff away, and we'll get back to you after I'm done that. Alright, folks, we are on a little Dune Buggy thing. As you get a good look at it. I got the young fella there with me. The other one back there.
Hello, Mr. Future Please.
And we are going. Oh, I tell you one thing. They don't make this for one person to pedal, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's only one person to
Huh?
I can't. I just need one.
I'm in a brass pedaling. Hey, you want to hold that?
Oh, sure. Hi, Colin.
Let's see if I can get this thing.
Hopefully. I hope I don't fall. I don't know. Hey, Dad, it's black.
Huh?
It's black.
It's black.
Yeah. I can swim myself. Hey, you take it. No, you can't. Oh, frig, I can't hold it in this way. It's not my fault. I'm trying to hold it and it's black.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. It's starting to go so fast, Dad.
Huh?
I can barely hold this camera. Kaden, stop looking on the other side.
Hold on.
Oh, frig, Kaden. No.
Well, guys, we got the fire going. The baby's having a little nap in the camper right there. So I'm kind of keeping an eye. Mama Bear went to the store and park with the other young fella. Like I said, we got a young fella there, fire going. And he is playing beats by the sounds of it, are you?
What is doing this?
Huh?
I can go into other packs. Let's put it in.
And we bought some wood, and it is very wet. Let's play a little beat for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah?
I don't know how to play it.
Okay, let's see. There you go.
Well, that was really
So,
good.
yeah, I don't know how to use it, so
Okay, I'm gonna make some better music.
there you go.
Okay. I'm gonna.
And it looks good sitting here camping.
Hey, Daddy,
What, buddy?
you have to comment down below.
Comment down below.
Who
No.
has the better music?
Who has the better music? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Well, there you
wanna
go,
go for this
folks.
one.
You heard it first. Whoever likes the better music, whether it be me or his, comment below.
Okay.
I would choose him though.
I just need to get in order.
Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Okay, let's go for the next time. It's just getting started.
Awesome. I'll have to play around with it a little bit and figure it out. Then we'll get back to you. And we are taking a walk down to the beach, folks. The kids are on their bikes. And of course, you got me. Oh, and what do we got back there? Extra carriage. This is basically how I spend most of my time now, with him hanging off my shoulder. He is my my extra 30 pounds I put on since COVID. We're gonna head down the beach here, see what it's like. Kids are having fun. hopefully they have as much fun sleeping tonight as they are right now. Well folks, we made it down to the beach here. Kids are there playing. Sorry if it's windy, but it's extremely windy down here. We'll go over this side. They got a little ice cream shop right there. Go over on this here side. We'll take a look. They got the dock here for boats, basically. Or, yeah, a couple boats. Got one up there sitting out of the water. Down there they got some. Basically all kinds of them. They probably just parked them here. Parked them here during the summer and they go out on them when they can. Got the pontoon, jet ski. What else they got? Hopefully this don't. No, this won't sink. I'm walking out on it. I'm like, I hope it don't sink. But they got a bunch of boats here. All your pick. Another pontoon. Nice boat. That Mastercraft over there is a nice boat. I bet you that sails along the water pretty good. Some nice boats. Yeah, seasonal dock only, no parking. No parking at any time. So is obviously if this is like a docking area, if you go up here it's got to be an opening, right? They have an opening here. So much calmer on this side. The wind. We got everything blocking us, the trees and all that. I mean, it might still be on the mic a little windy, but it's not as bad for me anyways. Yeah, see, they got the little opening here. Big old beautiful lake to go out in the water. And that's what my plan is, folks, is I'm gonna basically get rid of my camper, maybe. The wife's saying she likes it now, she wants to keep it, but my plan is to get a boat. I prefer a boat, you know, like honestly, for how often I get to go camping anyways, it's better for me to have a boat. You know, at least the boat, you know, the weekend comes, we can go out and we don't need to, you know, plan it. We can just go out and jump in the boat and go water skiing or whatever. That wind's picking up again. But you know what I'm saying, right? Like, we can just go water skiing. So, anyways, I'm gonna go back over and see them. We'll see you in a few. All right, folks, so we are on our way back now. The kids went in. He is soaked. So is he. They decided that they just wanted to go in. Literally, the temperature right now is, I'm gonna say, maybe plus 10.
20 degrees in the water.
Huh? Yeah.
It's like
Degrees, yes. Sorry, yes, I gotta correct.
more than
For all your American viewers.
Yes, I know, I get that. Okay, so he's all got that. My wife had to correct me, right? She's feeling smart today, no? But anyways, there you have it. And then with the wind, it makes it feel like it's about plus 5, right? Degrees Celsius.
I don't know.
So anyways, they are soaked, so I told them they don't have to wear their shoes when we get back. I got a outside shower. We'll wash them off, and then they can go in and change. All right, folks, so we went and we tried to get coffee this morning here at the campsite. The coffee was terrible, so I'm gonna run down the road here. It's not very far. It's just down to Stettler. And we're gonna grab some coffee, and then we'll head back to the camp. All right, folks, so we got the coffee, and we are heading back now to the resort. I got coffee for me, one, and I got two for the wife. Hopefully you can see that on the video. I never even thought to think about if you can actually see, but look at me now, I'm going slow. I'll tell you, this place is a resort, but this road to the resort is really terrible. Like there's holes in the road. Like look, hopefully you can see that. Like it just, it's like playing Mario Kart. You gotta dodge the stuff that's coming at you. What? All right, folks. So I'm back with the kids here. We're just gonna relax for the rest of the day. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos with me and the kids, or even me working on cars, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.